What's up, everybody? This is your man KB, the crypto connoisseur, coming back to you with another show. The show where you hop on this vehicle and we take a ride to Knowledge City, baby. We take a ride and we learn. We learn about this digital future. So this morning, guys, I just thought, let me make a video and see if I can do a quick guide to where to go, how to start. I won't be in front of a screen, but I'm hoping that you'll catch as I go. So guys, I remember when I started around digital assets, I was confused as where to go, which sites to visit. So I kept googling and kept googling. But let me make it quicker for you. Go on your phone, go on your machine, on your laptop, Google a site called Crypto Compare. Crypto Compare is a site where immediately when you log onto the site, you will see digital assets flashing in front of you. You'll see numbers going up and down, green and red at the same time. You will see almost all the assets in the market. What I like about Crypto Compare is it gives you the current price of the assets. It shows you how far the assets has gained or dropped over the past day or so, the past 7 days, the past 30 days. It also gives you information about the assets. I mean, if you click on any of the assets on the site, you will get a quick description around what the asset is all about, which consensus mechanism it's built on. You will see how many tokens have been issued on that asset ever since it was created. So it's an exciting site. I like it. I mean, I log on to it every single day just to get a quick glimpse at the prices, you know. So if you get a new token that you want to learn about, quickly go on Crypto Compare, click on the token, you will see information around the background of the asset. So that's number one. It's an international site. But then I got caught in, okay, where do I put in my money? Where do I invest? You know, because these are international sites, and I had my skepticism. You know, putting my credit card details, my banking details on these sites. I thought I also don't want to be scammed. You know, I want to go complain to somebody if I lose my money. So I had a look around locally, Googled around, asked a friend. This one friend of mine, he was a colleague, said to me, look, try altcoin trader. At that time, he had invested money during the highs of 2017. And at the time that he was telling me about the site, he had lost money, you know. Well, he hadn't lost money. His portfolio had went down. So he was also in this mode and transition of, did I really get into the right assets? I mean, he thought he made a bad move. But here comes Karabo, here comes KB, asking him about digital assets and telling him what he has read about these digital assets, and you know, his enthusiasm around these assets grew back. He got excited yet again. You know, he was like, you know what, I'm thankful you came and you spoke to me about these things, because I was ready to give up. So I started checking out altcoin. I ended up signing up with Altcoin Trader at the time, and it was such a simple site. You know, I'm not. This is not a paid promotion. I'm not here to really campaign on their behalf, but I'm just saying I used their site. It was simple. It was rand denominated. You know, I wasn't dealing with dollars. I was dealing with the actual price in rands of the assets. So it made life very simple. and buying was simple, selling was simple when I looked at their site. So that's what I checked out first. So I suggest you guys do the same. Try these sites. You will find them very interesting. I can promise you that. You will look at the site and you will think, oh, they've got charts, they've got the beginner's guide, they've got the more advanced site of their platform to advanced traders. Okay, but it's quite a simple site to work with. So I tried Altcoin. I suggest you do the same. Sign up. Upon sign up, you will be requested all sorts of information, all this know your customer information. Put in your details, put in your banking details, your personal details. I mean, you'll end up having to upload a picture of your ID, a picture of yourself. They try to do their best as far as security is concerned. You know what I'm saying? So try these sites. Once you are in, once you've completed your sign in, they will wait maybe a day or two to verify your account, verify those details, and after they verified those details, you will be assigned your own reference to the account on the site. This is the reference that you will use each time you deposit money into their platform. So whichever bank you use, you will be assigned a specific reference number. So now that you're in, you've got your reference, you log on and you see yourself, you see a profile on Altcoin. Do yourself a favor, do the two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, it's a Google Authenticator layer. What it does is it adds another security layer as part of your profile. You know, you're not just relying on the site to protect you. At least you've got another layer prior to you logging on the site. So the Google Authenticator, what it does is you load the authenticator on your phone, you load it on your devices. What it does is it gives you a security code, like a PIN code that refreshes every like 60 seconds. So that authentication code, once you've loaded it on your phone and you've mapped it to the platform, to Altcoin, each time you log on to Altcoin, it requests you for that Google Authenticator on your phone. So even if you're logging on to Altcoin on your laptop, immediately after you put your password on the site, it will request you to authenticate on Google Authenticator. And then you go to Google Authenticator on your phone, you pick up the code at that moment in time, and you pin in those digits on your laptop, on the screen in front of you. So it's like a 6-digit code, and then you put it in, and then voila, you are on your profile now with Google Authenticator on. So after you're in, guys, you'll need to deposit money onto the account. My suggestion is start small. Verify that you can send money first. Deposit 100 rands. Make sure that within an hour you can see that money. After the money is in, then you know, okay, I can launch more money now. I can send in 1,000 rands. I can send in the 5,000 rands with however much money you want to invest. And then once the money is in, buy an asset. Start with Bitcoin. Buy an asset. You will see there will be bids on your screen of how much people are willing to bid. It's like an auction. It's like an online auction. How much people are willing to pay for the asset, or how much people are selling for, and your buy needs to match a selling order. For your buy order to be filled, it needs to match a selling order. So You can buy at market price, meaning the first price that pops up that's on the top of the screen, you could buy at that price, and your price will be, and your buy will be filled immediately. So after you buy, guys, watch the assets. They've got charts on the site already. Try to look at the charts. Try to learn the charts. Yeah, that will be your journey beginning, and we will learn from there. Okay, I've reached my destination now. This is the Crypto Connoisseur signing out.